Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio County, Southern Dearborn County, Northeastern Switzerland County, Kenton County, Campbell County, Boone County, Southern Hamilton County, West Central Claremont County, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dillsboro, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cincinnati, Covington, Florence, Independence, Norwood, Erlanger, Fort Thomas, Newport, Madera, Edgewood, Alexandria, Ellesmere, Fort Mitchell, Villa Hills, Highland Heights, Taylor Mill, Bellevue, Fort White, Dayton, and Lawrenceburg. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Kentucky between mile markers 74 and 77. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 11. I-74 in Ohio near mile marker 19. I-75 in Kentucky between mile markers 171 and 191. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 5.